Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today we're going to try the frozen version of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Style Chicken Dip. And then we're going to make Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Style Chicken Dip using the recipe on their site and see which one's better and the bigger bang for the buck. So let's get started. This 11-ounce box of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Style Chicken Dip costs $8.69. That's pretty expensive. We're going to see if the recipe for Buffalo Style Chicken Dip off the Frank's Red Hot site is better and cheaper. Buffalo Chicken Dip isn't Buffalo Chicken Dip if it doesn't use Frank's Red Hot. For your next party, look no further for this spicy, creamy dip. It's not a competition, but you definitely just want appetizers, flavored with Frank's Red Hot sauce and all white chicken meat. Just heat and eat. Here's a list of ingredients. There's 10 2-tablespoon servings. Each serving has 35 calories, 2.5 grams of total fat, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 210 milligrams of sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, no sugars, and 2 grams of protein. So let's get the dip out of the box. And there's what it looks like straight out of the freezer. Now we need to vent the plastic and then pop it into the microwave on high for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a stir and microwave for another 1.5 to 2 minutes. And here's what it looks like after microwaving for 4 minutes. And it looks like buffalo style chicken soup. I can see it now. The only dip so thin you can drink it with a straw. That's a very thin dip. So we let it sit for 5 minutes to see if it thickened up some. And here it is after 5 minutes. And it didn't thicken up very much at all. So we scooped up a spoonful just to try it by itself. And the flavor was really good, but the chicken was missing. Where was it? There were a couple little pieces of chicken, but they were tiny. It was like the little pieces of chicken in Campbell's condensed chicken noodle soup. We tried one more bite with a Tostito scoop, and again, the flavor was good, but there's no chicken. Now we're gonna make the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Style Chicken Dip. I don't understand why you would put a recipe on there if you're trying to sell that same product. It seems counterintuitive. So I bought one of the smallest rotisserie chickens I've ever seen. Then we shredded all the meat, the white meat and the dark meat, and then minced it up. We only need 2 cups of chicken for this recipe. After adding 2 cups to the bowl, we still had about another cup, a cup and a half, that we can use for another recipe. So that little baby chicken produced a lot of meat. So to our minced chicken meat, we added 1 block of cream cheese, regular full-fat cream cheese, not that light stuff. A half a cup of Frank's Original Red Hot pepper sauce, half a cup of ranch dressing, and a half a cup of blue cheese crumbles. And then get a potato masher, or you can use your hands, or whatever other device you'd like to use. And mix it all up. And then place it into a 9-inch pie dish. And then it goes into a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Here's our Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Style Chicken Dip after cooking in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. This looks delicious, and it looks 100 times better than the frozen Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Style Chicken Dip. So we just used a regular tortilla chip this time and scooped up a big bite, which is full of chicken, unlike the frozen version. And the flavor of the homemade one is light years better than the frozen version. And this is creamier, it seems a little bit spicier, and you get a lot of chicken in every bite. And I couldn't wait to get another scoopful. And the second bite was as good as the first bite. I would definitely recommend using the recipe off of Frank's Red Hot site over spending $8.69 for a far inferior product. I'll leave the link to the recipe in the description. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.